Welcome guys. To solve this exponential equation, let us multiply the power of both sides by x. So we have this, then all to the power of 1 over x times x, and then we'll be left with x to the power of 4 times x squared, and that equals 1 over root 2, then all to the power of the x cancels x, and we have 1. And then we go ahead to divide the power of both sides by 4, and we have 1 over root 2 all to the power of 1 divided by 4, and also we have 4 cancels 4, and then we have x to the power of x squared to be equals 1 over root 2 and all to the power of 1 over 4. And then moving further, we can also rewrite 1 over root 2 as 1 over 2 all to the power of 1 over 2, then all to the power of 1 over 4. So the power gets multiplied, and then we'll be left with 1 over 2, then all to the power of 1 over 8. Now we could have done something interesting with this. We could have expressed it as 1 over 2 all to the power of 3, but it doesn't satisfy the equation because we have 1 over 2 to the power of 3, whereas our equation is x to the power of 2. Therefore, we have to do something very intelligent. And guys, if you enjoy solving interesting math challenges like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to see more of my videos. So the brilliant thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be manipulating the power of 1 over 8. So multiply the power of 1 over 8 by 2 over 2. And then when we do that, we're going to have x to the power of 2, and that will give us 1 over 2 all squared, then to the power of 1 over 16. Then moving further, we have x to the power of 2, giving us 1 over 4 all to the power of 1 over 16. And then moving further, we have x to the power of 2 equals 1 over 4, and we can express 1 over 16 as 1 over 4 all squared. Now therefore we can directly compare this, and from our direct comparison we'll find out that x equals 1 over 4. Correct. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Have a good day.